Hey guys, how's it going? To me, Chris again, and today we have a 2022 Honda CR-V maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button right here and just that button, and we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the push start, go ahead and press it twice. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position without your foot on the brake. Now if you're not at the oil life indicator, go ahead and press that same button and go find it. Just like that. Now once you get here, go ahead and press and hold. Give it about 10 seconds. It should flash. Once it flashes, go ahead and let go and press the button and hold it again until it shows 100%. And there it is, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.